channel where creativity's the key. I'm a crafter, a DIY scrapper. Let's bring our visions to life, you see. Let's create together.
And I'm here to do a flip through of a design kit project for paper from Mia. Now with this project,
Hi, hello, welcome to my channel where creativity's the key. I'm a crafter, a DIY scrapper. Let's bring our visions to life, you see. Let's create together, hand in hand. Our artistry is wild and free. In every craft we'll take a stand and let our spirits run free. Art is my kind of therapy. Let's hang out and have some fun. Through every stitch and brush stroke, we'll see the beauty in what we've done. On this journey of imagination, we'll paint colors in the sky. With every glue, every creation, our dreams will soar up high. Let's create together, side by side, with laughter and joy in the air. In every project we'll take pride and know that we make a great pair. Art is my kind of therapy. Let's hang out and have some fun. Through every stitch and brush stroke, we'll see the beauty in what we've done. In this world of crafting magic, we'll dance with our hearts aglow. Let's make memories so fantastic as our imagination continues to grow. Art is my kind of therapy. Let's hang out and have some fun. Through every stitch and brush stroke, we'll see the beauty in what we've done. So thank you for joining me today on this creative escapade. Let's keep crafting, come what may. In artistry our stories will be made.
Okay, and then let's go.
Art is my kind of therapy. Let's hang out and have some fun. Through every stitch and brush stroke, we'll see the beauty in what we've done. So thank you for joining me today
Now I can put something
on this creative escapade.
Okay.
Let's keep crafting, come what may. In artistry our stories will be made.
Folder, mini file folder. Again, pocket here. We got tag. We got a pocket. And we got 2 journaling cards here. Okay. So I can take what's right here. Oh, there's another journaling card. Oh no. If you wanted, you can take your tag and put it inside the pocket here. Okay, like so. And then put this all back in the pocket. This side, we got another pocket. Same thing. Whoops. That needs to be glued down. We have a pocket, a removable pocket. We have our mini file folder, 2 journaling cards. Let's go ahead and put some glue on here. Okay. And then here we have much of the same. Tag, a pocket. Okay. and then your journaling card with we got one here and then I think one over here, which are extra ephemeras on here. Here we have our belly band, but this belly band opens up to a waterfall. See? And then it snaps back. And it's magnetized, so. And then on the back, we have our full floral piece. Okay? So, I want to thank you all for watching. And make sure you check out Paper Ramia's printables, y'all. Thank you all for watching. Please like, share, and comment. And if you haven't done so already, hit the red subscribe button down below and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to get notified of when I upload new content, when I go live, or when I do a premiere. Please be kind, be caring, be crafty, be positive, be creative, be blessed, and I will see you all in the next video. Happy crafting on a budget, happy everything on a budget. Go make something pretty today. Bye-bye.
Thanks for watching. It's greatly appreciated. Thanks for your support. Please be mindful, be blessed, be positive, and
the